Bro, let's go skate. Dude, E equals MC squared. Nerd for life.
Jesus, my friend, you've never failed me. Jesus never failed me. Jesus, my Savior. Jesus, my friend. Jesus, my Savior.
Hello, we are Gorilla Nature Inc., and we need your support. Your support is food in a child's mouth, it is resources for those who do not have resources. We're touching different parts of the world, and we're doing this we're all just youth who just have a desire to make a difference in the community that we live in and in the communities around the world. So we've all banded together. That is Gorilla Nature Inc. We are family. That's exactly what we are. We are just family. Even though we all have, right now, we are on a mission in different parts of the world. We are in Africa. We are in India, and Ghana in Africa, in Bangalore, India, and we're in Argentina and in the Latin Americas. Then we need your support. Please go and give today. Go to our website, www.gorillanatureinc.com, and go give your donation today because it is the world.